Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Colt Python Grips is probably one of the most important upgrades you can make to this legendary revolver. Whether you're a seasoned shooter or a collector, the right grips can significantly enhance your shooting experience. From the classic look of wood to the modern feel of synthetic materials, the options are vast, and the choice can greatly impact your comfort, control, and overall enjoyment of the iconic Colt Python. Number 5. Pachmayr Gripper Grips for Colt I-Frame. Introducing the Pachmayr Gripper Grips, designed for your Colt I-Frame. These grips offer a perfect blend of rugged aesthetics and superior control, enhancing your shooting experience. These grips are not just about function, they also look great. The design complements the Colt I-Frame, giving it a more refined appearance. It's a perfect combination of style and performance. Experience absolute control with these grips. They are made from specially formulated rubber, ensuring a secure and comfortable grip. This allows for better handling and accuracy. These grips are categorized as sporting goods, ideal for use in various shooting activities. Whether you're a seasoned shooter or a beginner, they will improve your grip. The grips are crafted from a specially formulated rubber compound. This material provides durability and a comfortable feel. It's designed to withstand the rigors of regular use. What we like. This grip offers rugged good looks and absolute control. It's made from specially formulated rubber for a secure grip. If you prioritize a firm, reliable hold and a classic look, this is the one for you. What people say. Good quality grip and good fit to my Colt official police. This is the larger grip that covers the back strap of the frame. Grip gives better control and feel when target shooting. Has more cushion and less fatigue. Number 4. Pachmayr 02529 Professional, Colt I-Frame, Black. This is the Pachmayr 02529 Professional. It's designed for the Colt I-Frame. It offers a professional grip for enhanced control and comfort. The design features an open back strap. This allows for a more customized fit and feel, improving the overall handling of the firearm. Compared to the gripper, it's 10% smaller. This provides a more streamlined profile, making it easier to handle and conceal. This model, 02529, is specifically made for the Colt I-Frame. It's an official match, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. This product is made in the United States. You can trust in its quality and craftsmanship, knowing it's built with pride. What we like. This grip features an open back strap and a more compact design. It's designed for a comfortable fit. If you are looking for a grip that provides a streamlined feel and enhanced control, you should consider this. What people say. They are large enough to allow you to have a solid hold on the revolver. They are shaped to allow you to use the double-action trigger pull without the gun shifting in your grip when it fires, like it does with the factory grips. Installed the grips and they feel great in my hand. Number 3. Hogue 46000 OverMolded Rubber Monogrip for Colt Python. This is the Hogue OverMolded Rubber Monogrip. It's designed specifically for the Colt Python. This grip enhances both the look and feel of your firearm. Featuring Hogue's cobblestone pattern, it provides a secure and comfortable grip. This ensures consistent performance, even in challenging conditions. The ergonomic design includes finger grooves. This feature allows for a more natural and secure hold, improving control and accuracy. The classic black finish adds a touch of style. It complements the Colt Python's aesthetics without compromising functionality. With this grip, you'll experience improved handling and control. It's a simple upgrade that makes a significant difference in your shooting experience. What we like. This grip features a non-slip rubber grip and a classic black finish. The cobblestone pattern ensures a secure hold. If you like a grip that combines style with functionality, this is a great choice. What people say. These grips give you a better purchase of the firearm and increase your accuracy because it holds firmly in your grip. The finger molds ensure that it is not moving around in your hand. Makes the gun more easier and comfortable to shoot compared to the original wooden grips. This rubber grip fits very well. This would not be the grips for show, but for function they feel great. It's much easier to control the recoil of a Python over cool-looking wood grips. Number 2. Hogue Colt Python Grip, Coco. This grip, made by Hogue, is designed for the Colt Python. It's crafted from Coco material, offering a comfortable and secure hold. It is made in the United States. The product originates from the United States. You can trust the quality and craftsmanship of this grip, knowing it's made with precision and care. Each package contains one grip. This ensures you have everything you need to upgrade your Colt Python. This item is categorized as a suitcase. It is designed to provide a secure and reliable grip for your firearm. The package dimensions are 11.0 inches in length, 7.0 inches in width, and 4.0 inches in height. It is designed to fit the grip perfectly. What we like. This grip is made of Coco material. It's a classic design. If you like a grip that combines style with functionality, this is a great choice. What people say. Much more comfortable than the stock grip, fits perfectly and looks great. Perfect fit and function. Great wood grip IMO for those with medium to smaller hands, but as I read, many with larger hands like this grip as well. Quality is on par with the much more expensive grips of many of the considered top producers. Number 1. Flower Crave Grips for Colt Python, i.e. frame. Introducing these beautiful grips, handcrafted in Thailand. They are made from paddock wood, offering a unique look and feel for your firearm. These grips are designed to fit Colt Python models made before 2020, as well as the Colt Officer's Model Match, Colt 2021 Anaconda, and Colt Trooper. They provide a comfortable and secure grip. Each set includes both the right and left side grips, along with a hex screw for easy installation. Please note that an Allen wrench is not included in the package. These are reproduction grips, not authentic factory grips. They are designed to enhance the look and feel of your firearm. Please note that these grips are not compatible with the new Python produced since 2022 onwards, the 1972 4-inch barrel Python, Trooper Mk3, Mk4, or Mkv, and Army Special Army Officers Police. Make sure it fits your model before purchasing. These grips are brand new and handmade in Thailand. They are ready to give your firearm a fresh, new look. What we like. This grip is handmade from paddock wood with a flower crave. It's a unique and stylish option. If you are looking for a grip that adds a touch of artistry and individuality to your Colt Python, you should consider it. What people say. These fit my Python beautifully. These grips were the closest copy I could find to the original service grips. They needed very minor fitting, I had to shave a corner slightly. If I need more grips for a Python, I will shop here again. Look great, nice quality, can beat them for the price, minor fitment issue, would buy them again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.